This video was made by Colorado State University for the Department of Construction Management. It was made to provide an overview of the Women in Construction Management Summer Institute program that took place in the summer of 2023.
We've been hosting this Women in Construction Management Summer Institute since 2017. There's obviously a huge need for more women in construction.
That's the voice of Anna Fontana. Anna is the Construction Management Internship and Outreach Coordinator. While Anna is speaking about industry partners coming to the Women in Construction Management Summer Institute, corresponding video of such industry partners at the Women in Construction Management Summer Institute is shown on screen.
And this was one way that we thought we could have an impact on it. So we reached out to all our awesome women in industry that we partner with for different events, and we invited them to come, and they all every year just say yes, and they come out and they work with our girls, and we have the best week.
Meeting all of these super inspirational women and getting to chat with them about what they do in construction.
That is the voice of Ava Martinez, who is a project engineer for Brinkman Constructors and a construction management alumni. While Ava is speaking, video of women at the Women Construction Management Summer Institute working with tools is shown on screen.
And then getting this hands-on experience with different tools and making different stuff, it was super exciting.
Today marks my 26th year in the industry as a professional.
That is the voice of Dee Oswald. Dee is the Vice President of Quality at Kiowit. While Dee is speaking, video of her giving a presentation to Women in Construction Management Summer Institute participants is shown on screen.
And I think, the construction industry needs the diversity of women in its program. It's a diversity of thought, it's a different diversity of experience, and all together, that's just gonna make our industry even better.
I didn't even know this was a career until I came to CSU, and I feel like I happened into construction management.
That is the voice of Amy Powell, who is the founder of WellWorks. Amy is a construction management alumni. While Amy is speaking, video of Women in Construction Management Summer Institute participants in hard hats and vests is shown over the top of her interview footage.
I wanted to make sure that some gals can have the opportunity to know that it's there and that they don't have to fall into it, they can be intentional, and that it's a phenomenal and amazing career.
I think it's really important that those of us who have found this job.
That is the voice of Sharona Simpson. Sharona is an instructor in the Department of Construction Management. While Sharona is speaking, video of Sharona working with camp participants, showing them how to use power tools, is played over the top of her interview footage.
That we share it with other young girls and we let them know that it's an option for them, and it's fulfilling, it's rewarding, it's exciting.
You are about to hear the voice of Caitlin. Caitlin is an attendee of the Women in Construction Management Summer Institute.
It's really nice to know there are more people like you in this field.
I think it's important just to raise girls' confidence and to show that other people want to go into the same business.
That was the voice of Reese. Reese is also an attendee of the Women in Construction Management Summer Institute. While Reese was speaking, video of other attendees learning how to operate and use different types of machinery is shown on screen.
We're doing a concrete activity, so I wanted to share a little bit of my knowledge with these young women.
That is the voice of Lauren Smiley. Lauren is the pre-construction manager for Coloscapes Concrete. She is also a construction management alum. As Lauren is speaking about showing the women who are attending the camp some of her knowledge with concrete, video of attendees learning how to make and use concrete is shown on screen.
And I think it's a really important camp to show young women that this industry doesn't have to be intimidating and that there are a lot of opportunities for them to do well.
You're about to hear the voice of Yasmin. Yasmin is an attendee of the Women in Construction Management Summer Institute. While she's speaking, video of her using a virtual reality headset to look at and analyze a floor plan is shown on screen.
There's so much that I love. Every day is a new experience. Every day is just exposure to things that one day I hope I'm able to do. It's been so amazing.
I think this camp is awesome because it just provides students with, what the industry actually looks like and what you will see when you get into that career.
That was the voice of Ashley Widmeyer. Ashley is a project manager with Hensel Phillips. She is also a construction management alumni. While she is speaking, video of participants learning how to fly a drone is shown on screen.
Is just super valuable to set them up to, really know what they want to do once they get to college. So of all the things that we cover this week,
Anna Fontana can now be heard speaking in this video again. As she is speaking, she is explaining the individual activities the participants do over the course of their time at the Women in Construction Management Summer Institute. Corresponding video of participants doing the listed activities, as well as learning one-on-one with instructors and mentors, is played over the top of Anna's interview footage.
in the classroom, with the equipment rodeo, we also are doing some computer lab stuff. All the stuff we've done with confidence building and self-exploration. No matter what career they take, whether they go into construction or something else entirely, these are amazing skills that young women need and can use wherever they go.
What I teach in this session.
Dee Oswald begins to speak again in the video. While she is speaking, video of students learning how to operate heavy machinery and also learning how to weld is shown over the top of her interview footage.
Are just the fundamentals of being confident and the importance of it and what they can do, from everything from being authentic, from trying new things, getting out of their comfort zone, and really just recognizing the things that are holding them back. And a lot of times it's just themselves. So I like to give them a lot of tools to help them get through that.
Doing the Women in Construction Summer Institute as a high schooler.
While Ava is speaking, video of her working directly with camp attendees is shown on screen.
Inspired me to then join the CSU Construction Management program, and through all the experiences through that and all the people I've met, I'm excited to start my journey as a project engineer.
You're about to hear the voice of Layla. Layla was an attendee at the Women in Construction Management Summer Institute in 2023.
This is the best camp experience I've ever had in construction. I've done a lot of construction work, with camps and construction con and so much in the past, and nothing has ever been like this. This has been way better.
Camp attendees are pictured smiling, holding up lamps they made during the Women in Construction Management Summer Institute. The video closes with text on screen that reads RAM-Built, Construction Management, Colorado State University. This video was described by the College of Health and Human Sciences at Colorado State University, improving physical, mental, and social well-being.